In this video, we're going to explore how to insert photos and images into your posts and pages. To get started, we'll select the All Posts subpanel and then choose an existing post to edit. I'll click the Edit link to open this post in the editor. Now, let's insert a photo to help give this page a little more visual interest. To insert an image file, first we'll place the cursor at the location within the post where we want the image to appear. Next, we'll click the Add Media button to open the drag and drop multi-file uploader. We're given a few options. We can add an image from our computer, from a URL on the web, or from our media library. For now, I'll choose from computer. On my desktop, I have a JPEG image I'd like to add to this article. So I'll simply drag this image into the Dropbox, and the uploader will automatically transfer the image from our computer's hard drive to the web server that hosts our site. When it's done uploading, we can give it a title, set the alternate text, which will replace this image if a user has disabled images in their browser, add a caption and a description if you like. We can also make this image a link, so that when folks click on this image, they'll be taken to a destination of our choice. We can create a link to the full-size version of the image, or choose to view the file on its own page within our site. Or we can actually enter a web address for any website or web page we choose. For example, we could have this photo linked to acme.com so that when a visitor clicks on the photo, they'll be taken to that website. For now, I'll just click on File URL, which will take them to the full-sized version of this image. We can choose to align this image to the left side of our content, which will cause the text to wrap around the right side of the image, to the center, or to the right, which will flow text to the left of our image. I'll choose right. Next, we can choose which size image we'd like to use in the post. By default, WordPress automatically creates a thumbnail, medium, large, and full-size version of your image when you upload it. For now, I'll select the medium size and then click Insert into Post. Alright, here's our image automatically inserted and aligned to the right of our content. Because we gave this image a caption, you can see there's a light gray border around the image and our caption appears just underneath it. We can change these settings at any time by simply selecting the picture, then clicking the Edit button to enter the image editing view, where we can update the settings once again. You'll notice that this time the panel has changed. Now we have the option of resizing the image by selecting a percentage of its current size. At this point, we can also change the alignment or edit the title, alternate text, caption, and link URL. And under the Advanced Settings tab, we can change the source URL for this image or manually edit the size of the image. If you're comfortable with creating custom styles in CSS, you can add or override the CSS class for this image, or even enter your own CSS instructions directly into the Styles field. Under Image Properties, we can add a border around our image. And we can add additional padding to the left and right, or top and bottom of this image. And last, under the Advanced Link Settings, we can assign a separate title for the link itself, and choose to open the link in a new window when they click on our image. I'll click Update. And now, when we view our post, we'll see our image in the post with a nice black border, and we know that when our visitors click this image, they'll be taken to the full-size version of this image in a new tab or window in their browser. In addition to adding single images, you can also insert a photo gallery, a collection of several images within a post or a page. The process begins the same with the drag and drop uploader. This time, I'll drop 3 photos into the uploader. And when they've finished uploading, I'll simply click Save All Changes. In the next panel, we can change the order of the images in our gallery by simply dragging and dropping them into the order we wish for them to appear. And we can edit the titles and other details for each image by clicking the Show link just to the right of each file's name. You can also show all tabs for each image at once for easier editing. Next, under Gallery Settings, I'll choose to link the thumbnails to the full-size version of each image file. We can change the order and choose the number of columns our gallery will use to display the thumbnails. When you're happy with the settings, click the Insert Gallery button. While the gallery won't display in the editor, it is represented by this light blue area, and we can delete or edit the gallery's settings at any time. Before publishing, you might want to preview your post with the photo gallery in place and then make any changes you like. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to embed video into your posts and pages.